welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning how to play Exploding Kittens. So Exploding Kittens is actually just a card game. I'll just show you. So first you have to open the deck. Open it. There will be cards some like this. Take the top 4 Exploding Kittens. Keep them aside. Now, take 2 diffuses for you and the other player. Or if there are 3, there can only be 2 to 5 players. It is only a 15 minutes game and it only requires 2 minutes to learn. So take both of the diffuses. If there's 2 people, there'll be 2, 3 for 3, 4 for 4, 5 for 5. So, when there's 2 diffuses, keep them like this. Now shuffle the deck nicely. When you're done shuffling the deck, take the top 4 cards and give it to you. And take the second top 4 cards and give it to the other person. Now for example, it's like this. So if you get a 3 of a kind, you can play a 3 of a kind. For example, if I play a 3 of a kind right now. Okay, first let's keep the Exploding Kittens. If there's 2 player 2, 3 player 3, 4 player 4. If there's 5 player, there'll still be 4. Now let's shuffle first. Now, imagine I put 3 rainbow ralphing cards, meaning the other person has to give me 1 card that you say. You can take the diffuse. And now you have 2 diffuses. Now when you have 2 diffuses, the other person has to play. If you play see the future, you can see the top 3 cards. See, these are the top 3 cards. Now when you play see the future, you still have to play 1 turn. So now the other person got a diffuse. Now it's the other person's turn. The other person knows that he's gonna get an Exploding Kitten. Because there was an Exploding Kitten here. There was a diffuse here, which he just took. Here it was. Means that this player plays. And then when this player plays, he gets an attack. So if you play attack, the other person has to play twice. So the other person has 2 shuffles. You can play 2 shuffles also. And when you play 2 shuffles, you just have to shuffle the deck twice. That's it. And then when you're done, it's still his turn now. Sorry, it's the person who played this turn, the attack, it's still his turn because this player played this. Now the other player takes a card. He got a nope. Now this player puts a favor. Now this player can put a nope, so this action card will be cancelled. So it's now his turn again. And then he got a nope. So he can't play the nope right now. He has to play it when the other person or he gets one. And the other person got a diffuse. Drawing. This player got a diffuse. Now attack. This player attacks. Now this player keeps a nope. Now if this player plays this player plays a skip, means his turn will be skipped. The player who played the skip, his turn will be skipped. So now it's the other player's turn. He'll play see the future. Now he knows that he's gonna get another see the future. So he's gonna pick the top card. Now this player plays a favor. This player gives this card to him. Now it's his turn. He also asks for a favor. He gives it to him back. So this player gets a rainbow laughing cat, and this player gets a see the future. Now again it's this player's turn. This player again got to defuse. This player got a nope. The next player also got the nope. Now this player plays sees the future. But if the next player plays nope and you play nope again, means now it's yup. Now you can play. Now you take, the other person takes. You take, the other person takes. You take, other person. You, other person. You. Now it's the other person's turn. If the player plays two beard cats or two any cats like taco cat, rainbow laughing cat, catamelon, Harry potato cat, any cat like these ones. Now the other player has to shuffle their deck like this, their hand pile, and then the other person has to do it like this. And now this player will take one card from here. Now he got a Harry potato card. He still has one more. Now this player's turn. He plays this. Now if the other players also plays this, now it's crossed. So because they will take and they will take, so it's crossed. Now it's still this player's turn. This player draws, this player draws, this player draws, this player. Now this player got an exploding kitten. So the diffuse will be kept here, and then the exploding kitten will be shuffled back into the draw pile. Play, there. Play, there. Now this player again got an exploding kitten. Right, again puts his diffuse. Shuffling, 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 shuffling. Okay, this player got an exploding kitten. Put the diffuse, shuffle it back in the draw pile. This will be keep on happening. Now when it's three card left and the other players plays, they can see. Now if there's two exploding kittens left. Now there's two exploding kittens left. So the player takes. Now the player has 100% idea that there is only there's only two cards and both of them are exploding kittens. So the other person can play attack. Nope. The other player then plays a favor. He gets a double taco cat. Then this player plays attack. Double. Two doubles. Now the other player chooses this card. He got a diffuse, yeah. Now, if there's any player like this, for example, there's 4 beard cats. You can't play all 4 together. You have to play it in one turn, 2, and then the other turn 2. Or you can just play 3. Oh yeah. It's this player's turn. This player skips. This player shuffles the deck. Okay, if there's only one card left, the other player can use a shuffle. This player will play skip. This player will shuffle. Then this player will play double Harry potato cats. Not this got. He got see the future. Now it's this player's turn. This player doesn't have anything. He just has to play. And when he plays, he gets an exploding kitten. He puts it there, back. And then by this player plays again. This player plays again. This happens. Now it's this player's turn. He can just play this and just take this card, and then this player wins because the other player will get an exploding kitten and he will and his game is over. Thank you for seeing my video. See you in the next one.